Posting stories is currently only available to subscriber of Telegram Premium. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see this story which is currently only available to the subscriber of Telegram Premium. In this current time, you can see the posting story is only available to those who are paying the premium on the Telegram. So you have to open up your Telegram app, then click on the three line which is on the upper left. So here you have to go for your setting and scroll down. So on the setting you can see the Telegram Premium. Click on that. So you can purchase the Telegram Premium for annually and monthly. For annual it is on discount, that is minus 40%, 35.99 per year. For monthly it is $5 per month. So to purchase or subscribe the premium, you have to click on this and you have to start by paying a method with your debit card or credit card. After you have unlocked your Telegram Premium, then you will be able to post the unlimited story, priority orders, stealth mode, permanent view story and more. Also you can have unlimited cloud storage, double limit, Telegram business, last seen time, voice to text conversion, fast download speed, real-time translation, etc. So here you can see what you can get by subscribing the Telegram Premium. How to post the story which is currently only available to subscriber of Telegram Premium. So to post the main story as possible, you have to subscribe the Telegram Premium on your Telegram account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.